Today's video consists of 3 sponsors that are assisting us in the channel, and we got 3 different things. The first thing, we're talking about garage lights. Amazing little product. I've been running something like this in my garage, and it helps me out a ton to see what I need to do in my dark garage that doesn't have good lighting. We also got more lighting from Novsite with their LED headlights. These are 9006 headlights. We're going to be installing these on our car. This comes with their new biodegradable simple packaging that is good for the earth. And then the last thing, we got another portable 12-volt powered air compressor that is supposed to be even better than the last one we got and reviewed. So let's go ahead and show you each item. And we just got a surprise visit here with another sponsor. This is a battery powered leaf blower, and obviously it includes a blower, 2 batteries, a charger, different nozzles, an attachment strap for your shoulder, goggles, owner's manual, and pretty lightweight, pretty small, pretty compact, as you can see right over here. And my favorite part, it has a turbo button to let all the boost out, so no matter where you are, you can clean up those messes. And if you need the extra boost, you just hit that button. You can also easily detach some of these attachments here. That's my face. And that's without the boost. But let's say you take this little puppy with 2 batteries, you're at the track, you just did a pass on your turbo car, and you gotta cool it down, right? You got the intercooler there. Cool that puppy down. Your turbo manifold is on fire. Honestly, really neat, really lightweight, compact, and the boost, baby. You know we're gonna rock anything that has a boost button. And then again, you can check how much battery you have, and we've been using this for a little bit and the battery is still full. So really cool little item. Check it out in the description below. So I currently do have one in my lamp right over here, and I've been using this for some time. This one's only a 5 fin design, but even with 5 lights, it lights up my piece pretty dang good. This one, wow, 8 lights if I'm not mistaken, with the center light. That's 9, so we'll see. Okay, the new one is definitely looking like it's bigger. The LEDs are more spaced apart compared to these, which are very tight and compact. So I'm curious to see how this new one will perform. And holy moly, I don't know if you guys notice the difference or not, but there is definitely a lot more lighting. Holy crap, coming from here. Like, I'm pretty much blind from all this light, and definitely seems like it's taking care of more square inches of coverage here, so that's awesome. In this housing, unfortunately, I can't adjust the fins that much, but if you stick it to any other housing, you can definitely have the lighting. If you're in a shop light, you can have the lighting surround the whole shop. So you get 2 in a box. That's plenty for like a 1-car garage like we have over here. And I've been a big fan of these flower style LED lights. All right, so as far as the LED lights, man, if you're not rocking LED lights, I don't know what you're rocking, because it's definitely not HIDs. I haven't seen people running HIDs in forever, and if you're trying to get yourself an LED light, look no further than Novsite. I've ran their LEDs before. Seems like I'm always switching out LEDs because these manufacturers are reaching out to me. Just like as always, this one has a, you know, nice aluminum backing here. You got your fans, These new LEDs have been doing a good job keeping the fans quiet compared to the original fans, where towards the end of the season when it gets cold you can actually hear those fans. This one does have a little ballast, so you know it's going to be putting up all the power it needs. I've ran some without ballasts, but those didn't really have the same output as the ones that do have the ballast included. Alright, and this is the heavy-duty off-road portable air compressor that utilizes your battery 12-volt supply to fill up your tires. So if you're off-roading in the mountains, like I said, if you're drag racing, this is also a good device to have, because you can hook it up to your battery once you're done with track day, put it in, put some air in your tires, and then you're good to go for the ride home. This one obviously is meant more for 4x4s and off-roads, and the reason for that is just because it has a higher capacity motor and it will fill up those tires even faster. Solid little kit, pretty lightweight. It does come with all the attachments, smaller attachments if you need it for smaller projects. The gauge is included, and this one, compared to the last kit I got, just kind of looks like it's a little fine-tuned. You know, everything looks a little bit cleaner and a little bit better. We're gonna put it to the test now. All right, my car's tire is pretty much flat. I got the little attachment connected to the hose. The gauge is right there. The hose is connected to here. Here's a little shot of the front. Looks like a dual motor compressor, and these clamps are pretty good quality compared to the previous I've tested. So that's on there, and let me just play it for you guys. All right, and there you have it. It's all filled up, ready to go. And let's take a look at the gauge on the tire. How much we got? 25, 30, 35, 40, just about 38 psi. And then if you want to drop it, there's actually a valve release here, so it releases some of that air pressure. So right over there, yep, that's where I want to be. That's awesome. I like that feature. Works pretty good, not too terribly loud. Great little device to keep around for those off-roading days, those track days and whatnot. I will have links in the description for the items I've tested today and mentioned. If you are interested in any of them, go ahead and pick those up. And I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys watching the channel. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the